Hi Chance, welcome to 10 power 100. So 3 markers ಆಯ್ತು, 5 markers ಆಯ್ತು. So only 2 markers is left ಆಯ್ತಾ. So 2 markers ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Some of the questions rough ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಆಯ್ತಾ. So one is like f of x is equal to like this will give x square minus x divided by x minus 1 something. They'll ask you to find f of 1.1. So ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay. Then sin 2x, cos 2x and tan 2x derivations ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Then a right angle. So sine 1500 degrees. So those things, okay. So those angles are not called. Other than the sine 15 degree, sine 75 degree, cos 15 degree, cos 75 degree. So these are not called. So these are all very important for 2 markers. I'm not like made any dedicated video for 2 markers. So please like work on these things, okay. So 3 markers, 5 markers somehow made video, but it become okay. So other better makle a video completely focusing on MCQs aita. So you have to answer MCQs in the beginning itself. So this is one humble request from my end. I don't want you to write MCQs at the end makle, okay. Nimge ashtu patience iralla. Nale nimdu ಒಂದು complaint irutte after the test is you will not have like one sufficient time iralla paper na complete ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. Okay, that's why. So the proper plan ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು if you write the paper, trust me, you can do really well. That's why the first part of paper is very important. That is MCQs and fill in the blanks. So in this video, I will be discussing completely MCQs and fill in the blanks. So once again, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And okay, so let's go ahead. Yeah. So first one, which of the following is not a set makle? So of course, ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಸತಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Collection of most talented writers of India, right? This person vary agadrinda, so we can't say that it's not it's a set, okay. Apart from that, rest of all set clear agide. Idra second option ge good boys anta illaದ್ರೆ bad boys anta kelidre avaga adu wrong agute. So avaga option B kuda wrong agute, correct agute, okay. So here option C is the right answer. Next, city is 1 4 9 16 25. It's all square numbers, right? So square numbers agidrinda x is to x is equal to n square, where n belongs to natural number is the right answer. Okay, inalla natural number, even number like athara ide. So option C is the right answer. Next, number of non-empty subset of this one. Okay, so this is another question. Please understand. So when it comes to number of subset, so LCM elements is the 4. It is 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 and the 16 subset barutte normal agi. Okay, adaralli ಒಂದು empty set ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? So empty set ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ 16 minus 1 it is 15. So that means option B, 15 is the right answer. Okay, because it's a non-empty set. Okay, non-empty subset. So adalli one empty set barutte, so that we have to remove. Okay, next. So here x is to x belongs to real number. X is in between 5. Okay, so here understand. Okay, it's just an interval. So it is minus 5 less than x less than or equal to 7. So minus 5 and 7 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರೌಂಡ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ e ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 5 7 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, once again x, so x less than or equal to 1, x less than or equal to 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಅಥವಾ 1ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ. ಸೊ 1 ಅಥವಾ 1ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it's nothing but option D, right? Yeah, option D is the right answer. Next, okay, which is infinite set. Infinite set ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಎರಡು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, because quadratic equation ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So of course option D direct question. Okay, next. Okay, the solution of the quadratic equation in the roster form. So ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು splitting the middle term ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So it is minus 2, right? So minus 2 ಗೆ so it is minus 1. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, minus 2 into 1 minus 2 plus 2 into minus 1. Okay, so it is x square plus 2x minus 1x minus 2. So if I take x common, x plus 2, if I take 1 common, x minus x plus 2, so x minus 1 of x plus 2 makle, right? So x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 2. So yeah, the answer minus 1 and minus 2, 1 and minus 2. Option C is the right answer. Very simple. Next. So A is equal to AIOU, B is equal to AIOU. Okay, AIU. AIU alva. Okay, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೆಟ್ ಏನೇ ಇರೋದು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಎರಡು they are not equal. and A is not a subset of B, right? A is not a subset of B. Okay, but let's take, I'll show you A intersection B. What is A intersection B? Two common. Two common A, I, U is there. A, I, U is there. What is the set? It's nothing but A intersection B is equal to what? It is nothing but set B itself, right? So it's actually ulta. So it's option D is wrong. Now we are A union B. So now A union B, of course, we end up getting A itself, right? So option C, A union B is equal to A is the right answer. Okay. Next. Okay, assertion reasoning. So either assertion reasoning questions for the not the number of proper subset of the set null set is 0. The number of proper subset of the set null set. Null set ke subset bandu 1 there, and number of proper subset number of proper subset 1 irutte, and it is actually equal is 0. Okay, the number of proper subset of the set null set is 0. No, it's actually like doesn't make sense, because for for null set one set baradu, that is null set subset agirada. So proper subset anthelidre, it's actually a hypothetical question. Okay, so it's actually wrong statement. Okay, statement 1 is wrong. If A is the proper subset of B, then at least one element of B is not in A. Yeah, it's correct actually. Equal agiribadu. So statement 2 is correct, Makle. So statement 1 is wrong and statement 2 is correct. Statement 1 is wrong and statement 2 is correct. Statement 1 is A is assertion reason true. Assertion is false and reason is true. Option D. Yeah. Okay. Next. So the number of elements in the set of letters better, Makle. So it is B barata. Okay. B ಇದೆ, E ಇದೆ, T ಇದೆ, R ಇದೆ, right? B, E, T ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So B, E, T ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 4 ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ B ಎಲ್ಲ E double ಇದೆ, T double ಇದೆ, correct. 4. Next, it's fill in the blanks. Okay, so next trigonometry. So trigonometry is which of the following is incorrect, okay? Option A is the wrong answer, okay? Because 1 degree is equal to 0.01746. ನಾನು 2 markers ಮಾಡುವಾಗ I think trigonometry ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. Pi is nothing but 180 radians, so theta is equal to L by R. So this is also correct. So option A is the wrong answer. Next. So 40 degree 20 minutes. So 40 degree 20 minutes andre, so it is 40. So 41 by 3 degree agutte. So it is nothing but 121 by 3 agutte. It's nothing now pi by 180. 121 pi by 180. 121 is the answer. No, into 3 alla. 180 into 3, sorry. Into 3, so it is 121 pi divided by 540 alla. 540, so 121 pi divided by 540. So option D is the right answer. Next. Okay, which of the following is incorrect? So ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಇದು cos x value ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು positive, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು negative. Okay, apart from that ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so ಇದು ಬಂದು sin x ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ positive and ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು negative, so opposite 0 x axis ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So cos pi is -1, yeah, it is correct. Sin pi is 0, it is correct. Sin 3 pi by 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು -1, it is correct. Cos pi by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು, so it is actually 0. So option D is wrong. Okay, next. So domain of sin x. So domain of sin x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ domain of sin x ಒಂದು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಆ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನಾವು -infinity to +infinity ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. So option A, -infinity to +infinity is the right answer. Okay, next. Which of the following is not correct? So sin theta value is actually in between -1 to 1. So this is correct. So this is right. Next, cos theta value is also -1 to 1. And the range table kalkolli, because our table ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು question ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Next, secant theta value and tan 2 theta values are actually like either real number in the this is also correct, and this is wrong, right? Because the range of secant inverse x is -infinity to 1 union -1 and 1 to infinity. Okay, this is actually wrong bracket. Sorry. This is wrong bracket. Okay, this is the ರೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಈ -1 ಇಂದ +1 ತನಕ ಮಧ್ಯ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು ಇದು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಈ 1/2 comes in between -1 to 1, right? So option C, this is the wrong answer. Okay, next. So value of 31 pi by 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 31 into 60 ಅಲ್ಲ. So 60 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 60 1s are 60 0 6 carry over 6 3s are 18 18 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 180 186 1860, yeah 1860 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1800 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. And 60 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 60 ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ sin 60 ಅಂದ್ರೆ √3/2, right? So sin 60 is √3/2. So option B, √3/2 is the answer. For a bad like -√3/2 is also there. So please be very careful while solving this matter. Okay. Next. Okay. So sin x is equal to 0. Yaವಾಗ sin x 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? So we discussed this, right? So sin x so sin x becomes 0 when it is pi multiples of pi ಬಂದಾಗ. So that's why option A is the right answer, children. Okay, so option A, x is equal to n pi is the right answer. Multiples of 180 ಬಂದಾಗ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ sin. Next, multiples of 180 na, yeah, correct, multiples of 180. Okay, so tan x is equal to 5, then what is tan 2x? So tan 2x formula ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. So tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. So it is 2 into tan x value is 5 divided by 1 minus 25, correct? So it is 10 divided by -24. 10 by -24 answer. I hope I have done correctly. Yeah, 10 by -24 is right answer. Next, okay, list the following. So idra maths the following keltare. So careful agi solve ಮಾಡಿ. So sin x is positive. Sin x ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. So ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು. So A2 ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. A2 ಒಂದೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. That means option C is the right answer. Okay. Next, cot x is negative. Cot x ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು. ಸೊ B1. So B1, correct. Yeah. Next. So list the following. Sin pi minus pi by 4. Sin pi minus pi by 4 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ this becomes sin pi minus pi by 4 becomes sin pi by 4. Right? Sin pi by 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1/√2. So A3. Okay, ಎರಡು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. Okay, so we have to move ahead with the next one. Next, cosec pi by 6 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ cosec pi minus pi by 6 becomes means that is cosec pi by 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. cosec 30 ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin 30 is nothing but 1/2. So 2 cosec 30 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಅಲ್ವಾ. So B1, yeah, option E is the right answer. Option E is the right answer. Okay, now last one, second pi by 3 cos 60 is 1/2. And second 60 is minus 1/2 because it is in the second quadrant. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So -2 is the right answer. Next, okay, so next complex numbers. ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. So 4x plus 3xi minus y is equal to x and y are real numbers ಅಲ್ವಾ. Okay, no need to multiply anything, I feel. Okay, listen. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ just equate real part and real part. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ real part ಏನು 4x, here real part ಏನು 3. So x is equal to what? 3/4 ಅಲ್ವಾ. Simple. So just go with this. So option A, 3/4 is the right answer. Okay. Next. So additive inverse of -2 plus 3i. So normal additive inverse of 2 is -2. So ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that is additive inverse. Okay. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ -2 plus 3i ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. So for this put minus. So it becomes 2 minus 3i, right? So 2 minus 3i ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. So 2 minus 3i, option A is the right answer. Okay, additive inverse. Next. Okay, multiplicative inverse of this. Multiplicative inverse is z inverse is equal to z bar divided by mod z the whole square. So z bar is 4 plus 3i, correct? Divided by square root of 4 plus 9. No, square root of 4, square root of 16, right? So 4 square. So 16 plus 9 the whole square. So so 4/25 plus 3/25 I ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 4/25 plus 3/25 I ಅಂದ್ರೆ yeah, option A is the right answer. Okay. Next. So yeah, so this is important. Not 4 mark, 3 mark, first you take this one, okay? 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I in the okay? So first you rationalize this. So you get 1 plus I divided by 1 plus I, you will get it. So 1 plus I the whole square divided by 1 square minus I square, you will get it, okay? So it is 1 plus I square plus 2I divided by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2I divided by 2, the answer is I, right? Okay, ಈಗ I raised to the power what? ಅಂದ್ರೆ n is equal to 1 ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ. Okay, I to the power what is 1 ಮಕ್ಕಳ? I to the power 4 is actually 1, correct? So what is n values? N value is 4. So n value 4, option C is the right answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಬರಬಹುದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ಇದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್. I to the power 1 is the I plus I to the power 1 is I square is minus 1 plus I to the power 3 is minus I to the power 4 is plus 1. So this cancel, this cancel. Answer is 0. So option C 0 is the right answer. Next, okay, match the following. Additive inverse of 1 plus I. Additive inverse of 1 plus additive inverse, 1, okay, 1 plus I ಗೆ additive inverse minus 1 minus I, right? So yeah, A3 ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. A3 ಇದೆಯಾ? Okay, ಎರಡು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. Okay, next conjugate of 1 plus I. Conjugate of 1 plus I is 1 minus I, right? Okay, ನೋಡಿ, that's why I said, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Conjugate of 1 plus I, 1 minus I ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. Okay, so like jumble ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Sometimes ಅದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. So A3, B2. So option B, right? Correct. C1. Yeah, option B is the right answer. Okay. Next. Okay, I to the power 2025. So 2025 divided by 4 ಮಾಡಿ. So I think it is remainder 1 bit answer. So 2025 divided by 4 children. So 4 5s are 20. So 0. Next to bring down 0. 5. 4 5s are 25. So 4. Okay, so 4 6 are, right? 4 6 are 24. So 1 remainder. So that means I to the power 2024 into I to the power 1. So this is 1 into I. So the answer is I. Okay, so 4 to the power divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Next, so yeah, multiply this. So 5 and 5 cancel. You get minus 3I square, right? Minus 3I square is equal to A plus IB, you will get it. Okay, so minus 3 into I square value is minus 1 is equal to A plus IB. So minus 3, this is 3 plus 0I is equal to A plus IB. So what is A here? So A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 0. So they have asked only A, so the answer is 3. Okay, so it is the real part. Next, list the following. Okay, so here you need to know the concept. Z into Z bar is equal to this solution. Okay, because Z they have given it is X plus IY. Okay, so what is Z bar? Z bar is equal to X minus IY. So what is Z into Z bar? Z into Z bar minus it is A square minus X square. X square minus I square Y square, you will get I square value is minus 1, it becomes X square plus Y square. So for this, illa answer is only X square plus Y square. So confuse agbaarda. So next is Z minus Z bar. So Z X plus IY minus X minus IY ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ X plus IY minus X plus IY, right? So ಇದು cancel. So this becomes 2IY, correct? ಇದು answer. So ಎರಡು ಸಿಗ್ತಲ್ಲ, A ಗೆ 1, A1 B3, A1 B3, A1 B3. Yeah, option D. Option D is the right answer. Okay. Next. So multiplicative inverse of 2 plus 2I is this is wrong, right? Either first one is wrong. Okay, because Z bar minus is plus ಇದೆ, so that is wrong. No need to check. Next, multiplicative inverse of Z is Z bar mod Z whole square. That is correct. So assertion is wrong. A is wrong and R is true. So option D is the right answer. Simple question. Okay, next. Okay, so question number 31. P is equal to 1, 2, the number of elements in P cross P cross P. So first P cross P is so P cross P LA. So of course we will have 4, right? So 4 elements. So next 4 into the elements there. So 4 2s are what? 8 elements. So we will get 8. So option B, 8 is the right answer. Okay. Next, so set A has 3 elements and set B has 2 elements. So 3 2s are in Rapa 6. So option D 6 is the right answer. Next, so A is equal to 1 to B is the number of relations, right? Okay, so number of relations. Before that, you just have to calculate A cross B children. N of A cross B, number of elements in A cross B. So it is N of A into N of B, right? So number of elements in A into number of, so this is 2 into 2 is 4, right? Okay, so now number of relation. So 2 to the power N of A cross B. So this becomes 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 is what, 16. Huh? So 16 is the right answer. Option D, 16 is the right answer. Next. Okay, domain and range of signum function. Domain and range of signum function. Okay, signum function is good. So f of x is equal to, it will give is only -1, 0, 1. When x is less than 0, when x is equal to 0, and when x is greater than 0. Okay, so any input we can give, but the output is only -1, 0, and 1. So in that case, option A, right? So option A is the right answer. Next, N of A is this, the number of relations from A. So it is relation is equal to 2 to the power n square children. So direct question it is 2 to the power n square. So option C, 2 to the power n square is the right answer. Next, okay, the domain of real functions. The domain of real functions, right? Any values we can put up for that. Okay, so minus infinity to plus infinity, any values you can put up. But the range, so it is actually 0 to so it is actually minus infinity to 0. Okay? Minus infinity to 0 when it comes to range. Okay, so this is a range. Yeah, correct. Next, so domain of real functions, that means input. So under root we should not have any, we should not have any negative values. So what happens? 9 minus x square, right? So this is only option D control. Option D. This can come even for 3 marks. Okay, so remember the 2 marks cover. So root of 9 minus 16 in the quarter. X minus 16. Root of 16 minus x square in the quarter. So for that, the domain is minus 4 to plus 4 is the answer. Either. Okay, any values which is in between minus 4 plus 4, including them, we can substitute. So answer is option D for this. Okay, so the domain of the function, root find out. Okay, it is 4 into 1, right? So 4 into 1 under double root because quadratic equation has 2 roots, right? So it is a real number except those roots, that is 1 and 4 is the right answer. So option A. A quadratic equations 2 roots. In options 2 roots. But it will 2 roots and 1 and 4 are the roots. Okay. I denominator 0. So if I put x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4, that becomes 0. So that will be another real number. Input use. Okay. So option A is the right answer. Okay. Set R is equal to 1 to. Okay, then I use my so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this is a function. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, and 5, 7. 5, 7, correct? Okay, so they're saying it is a function, right? So statement is what? Let f is a to be a function if every element has one and only element of b. One element of b, correct? In 5 error input, error output is correct? So 1 input and 2 output is not possible. 1 input and 2 output is not possible. So statement 1 is false and statement 2 is correct. Correct, Alva? Statement 1 is false. Yeah, it's actually correct. Statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true. So option C is the right answer. Correct? 1, 2, 2, 3. For 5, there is same input, so that is not possible. Okay. Yeah, so option C is the right answer. Next, the domain of the function 1, 2, 3. Okay, domain of the functions are 1, 2, 3. The 2 use them. So 2 use them. Okay, so I think this is not visible. Okay. 2 na use ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, so it is actually wrong. Statement 1 is wrong. Range of the relation is 2 and 4. Range of the relation is 2 and 4. First of all, it is not a function at all, no? Correct, because ಒಂದಿಂದ ಎರಡು ಬಂದಿದೆ. It's actually a relation. Sorry, it's a relation. Okay. Domain of the relation is 1, 2, 3. You know. Okay. Range of the relation is 2, 4. Okay. It's actually correct. Okay. So we can go with statement 1 is false and statement 2 is correct. So option C is the right answer. Yeah. It's okay. Next. So which of the following statement is incorrect? So observe this. 7 greater than 5, that is correct. Okay, next y less than or equal to 4 is the example of little inequality. I is correct. 3 less than x can be in between double inequality. Yeah, correct. Ax less than is the example of slack inequality. It's not actually slack, it's actually strict inequality. So option D is the wrong statement, but here in this case it is actually correct answer. Okay, so option D. Next, the set of solutions of the 24x less than 100. So x less than 4.16 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So x less than 4. It's a natural number. So less than 4.16 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Next. So solution of x less than or equal to 0, right? So 0 ಮತ್ತೆ 0 ಕಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ. 0 and 0 ಕಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ option A ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, right? Option A 0. So minus infinity to 0 is the right answer. Okay, now the solution of the linear inequalities. Okay, so x value in between -1 to 1. Correct? 1 ಮತ್ತೆ -1 ಆಗಿರಬಾರದು. So that is why option C is the right answer. Okay, it's not option A. ಯಾಕೆ option A ಅಂದ್ರೆ equal symbol ಇದೆ. Equal symbol ಇದ್ರೆ option A ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. In this case, since they are not given equal symbol, so option C is the right answer. Okay, next. Okay, let's solve this. So it is 3x minus 3 less than or equal to 2x minus 6. So 3x minus 2x less than or equal to minus 6 plus 3. So x less than or equal to minus 3. X less than or equal to minus 3. 3 and 3 ಕಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ. 3 and 3 ಕಿಂತ sorry 3 and minus 3 ಕಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Option A ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Right? Correct. Equal symbol, less than or equal to symbol, that's why it's square bracket. Okay, so this one minus 8 less than or equal to 5x minus 3 less than 7, right? Okay, you just have to remove all these extra stuff, okay, inside x. First minus 3, add plus 3 everywhere. So it is minus 8 plus 3 less than or equal to 5x minus 3 plus 3 less than or equal to 7 plus 3. Okay, this is 5 less than or equal to 5x less than or equal to 10. So divide everything by 5. So it is 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. So x is in between 1 and 2. Correct? Minus 1. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's minus 1. So option C, right? Notice option C minus 1 less than 2. Okay, next. So mod x less than 1, right? Okay, mod x less than 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ the answer is yeah, option B is the right answer. Okay, minus infinity to minus 1 and 1 to infinity. Option B is the right answer. Minus 1 to plus 1. Yeah, the number will include ಮಾಡಾಗಿರೋದು. So option B is the right answer. Next, the solution of the inequalities. So solve this. So 6 minus 3x greater than or equal to 2 minus 2x, right? Okay, so minus 3x plus 2x greater than or equal to 2 minus 6. So minus x greater than or equal to minus 4. X less than or equal to 4, right? X less than or equal to 4. So once again, option A, right? Correct. Simple question. Next, the set of solution equation x less than or equal to 200 by 30. So 180 and 6 ಆಗಿದೆ. So x less than 6 point something 670. Integer ಅಲ್ವಾ? Integer ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ x less than integer. Okay. So integer ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ option D is the right answer. Natural number ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇದು ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. Option B ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. Now it is in pages. So option D is the right answer. Next, last one. So yeah, we did this for 2 marker, 3 markers, right? So x square plus y square. So is equal to 1 agramata. So 1 is the right answer. We did this for 2 marker, 3 markers. So our relation kuda ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Okay, so yeah, so that's it. So ನಿಮ್ಮ MCQs ಗೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳು. That's why I covered even MCQs and fill in the blanks. In between the fill in the blanks I have covered. I hope ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ and do well in your test. That is the important thing. Okay. So I hope tomorrow your test will go well and just come and share your response after that. Okay. So that's it from my end. I'll see you in the next video, children. Thank you so much.